What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Habib, and today, we're talking about making serious cash on TikTok. We're going to break down everything from building your brand to raking in those sweet sponsorship deals. So, if you're ready to turn your scrolling into dollars, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this bread. First things first, you gotta build a brand, people. It's not just about posting random videos, it's about creating a persona, a vibe that people can connect with and recognize instantly. What do you want your kingdom to be known for? Funny dances? Epic cooking skills? Maybe you're into fitness or fashion. Whatever it is, make sure it's something you're passionate about. Whatever your jam is, own it. Find your niche. This is where you can truly shine and stand out from the crowd. It's your unique flavor that will attract followers. Are you the king of comedy, the queen of DIY? Maybe you're the guru of tech reviews or the master of makeup tutorials. Figure that out and make it your brand. Your brand should be a reflection of who you are and what you love. Next up, consistency is key. You can't just post once in a blue moon and expect to grow. Imagine I only posted a video once a month. Would you guys even remember who I was? Nope. You need to be in your audience's feed regularly. You gotta stay on top of it. Plan your content, schedule your posts, and keep that momentum going. And don't forget to engage with your followers. Respond to comments, run polls, do those Quanda things. Interaction is crucial. Make your audience feel like they're part of the crew, you know? Build a community where everyone feels included. A loyal following is a money-making following. These are the people who will support you and your brand. Now let's talk about quality. High-quality content is non-negotiable. Good lighting and clear sound go a long way. Invest in some basic equipment to make your videos look and sound professional. And for the love of all that is good, please edit your videos. A well-edited video can make a huge difference in how your content is received. Remember, your brand is your reputation on TikTok. It's what people will remember you by. So, put in the effort, be yourself, and watch your TikTok empire rise. The sky's the limit when you build your brand brick by brick. Alright, let's talk about cold, hard cash. Everyone loves the idea of making money, especially when it comes from doing something you enjoy. TikTok has this thing called the Creator Fund, and it's basically free money for making awesome videos. Imagine getting paid for your creativity and the fun content you share with the world. TikTok pays you based on how many views your videos get. The more engaging and viral your content, the more views you rack up, and the more money you can earn. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the Creator Fund isn't gonna make you a millionaire overnight. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is a fantastic opportunity to start earning. But it's a great way to start earning some side cash while you build your following. Think of it as a way to monetize your passion and creativity. Think of it as a stepping stone to bigger and better things like brand deals and sponsorships. These opportunities can significantly boost your income and open new doors. To join the Creator Fund, you need at least 10,000 followers. This might seem like a lot, but with consistent effort and engaging content, it's definitely achievable. You also need to be at least 18 years old, and have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. These requirements ensure that only active and dedicated creators are rewarded. Once you're in, TikTok will track your video views and pay you accordingly. It's a straightforward process that rewards your hard work and creativity. The more views you get, the more money you make. It's all about creating content that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Some creators are reportedly making thousands of dollars per month. This shows the potential of the platform and the opportunities it offers to dedicated creators. Stay tuned, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on how to turn your TikTok fame into a full-time income. Get ready to take your content creation to the next level. Alright guys, now we're talking about the big leagues brand deals. This is where your hard work starts to pay off in a big way. This is where you can really start raking in the dough. Imagine the thrill of seeing your bank account grow as you partner with brands you love. Imagine getting paid to talk about your favorite products on your channel. It's like getting rewarded for doing what you already enjoy. That's the power of brand deals. They can transform your passion into a lucrative career. Once you've got a decent following and a strong brand, companies will start knocking on your door with offers to collaborate. It's an exciting milestone in your influencer journey. They're looking for influencers like you to promote their products to your audience. Your influence is valuable, and brands recognize that. Now, not all brand deals are created equal. It's important to evaluate each opportunity carefully. Some brands might offer you free products in exchange for a shout-out, which can be great for building relationships and trying new things, while others will pay you big bucks for a dedicated video. These deals can significantly boost your income. It all depends on your following, engagement rate, and the brand's budget. The more engaged your audience, the more attractive you are to brands. When it comes to brand deals, it's important to be selective. Choose partnerships that resonate with your personal brand and values. Don't just accept any offer that comes your way. It's crucial to maintain your authenticity and credibility with your audience. You want to partner with brands that align with your values and that you genuinely believe in. This ensures that your promotions are sincere and effective. Negotiation is key when it comes to brand deals. Don't hesitate to discuss terms that reflect your worth and the value you bring. Don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. Your influence is a powerful asset, and you deserve to be compensated fairly. Choose your partners wisely, negotiate fair terms, and always deliver high-quality content. This is how you build a sustainable and successful career as an influencer. Listen up, entrepreneurs. Did you know you can sell your own products and services directly through TikTok? Now, what kind of stuff can you sell? Well, the possibilities are endless. Do you make awesome jewelry? Sell it on TikTok. Are you a whiz at graphic design? Offer your services on TikTok. The key is to create products or services that your target audience will love. TikTok offers features like product links, shoppable videos, and even live shopping events. You can literally sell anything from handmade crafts to online courses, all within the TikTok app. One of the coolest things about selling on TikTok is that you can leverage your content to drive sales. Let's say you're a fitness influencer. You could create a video showcasing your favorite workout routine and then offer a link to your online fitness program. Selling on TikTok is a game changer for creators who want to take their earnings to the next level. Okay, let's talk about affiliate marketing, another awesome way to make money on TikTok. Basically, you partner with a brand and promote their products or services to your followers. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like being a salesperson, but way cooler. You get to choose products and services that you love and that you think your audience will be interested in. Plus, you don't have to deal with any of the hassle of customer service or shipping. There are tons of affiliate programs out there for all sorts of niches. To get started with affiliate marketing on TikTok, you'll need to sign up for an affiliate program and get your unique affiliate link. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to be authentic and transparent. Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your TikTok presence without having to create your own products or services. There you have it, folks. Your roadmap to TikTok riches is now complete. Remember, building a successful TikTok presence takes time, effort, and a whole lot of creativity. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on making money online. See you in the next video. Take care and happy creating.